And what is one strategy on being successful in real estate investing?
Yeah, I do think that there's a lot of good in putting your trust in other people, but at the end of the day, it is, what do you find that you're most passionate about? Because if you are being told to get into multifamily and you're all about, like, I don't know, storage units, then you're going to have a hard time getting passionate about someone else's passion, right? So find what you're really into, what you're really focused on. What do you find yourself just reading about on the weekends? What do you find yourself just perusing YouTube to learn more about? And then just go into that and be okay with being weird, because that's what makes you you.
I love that.